Introduction. 3-step turn right in place and bow to partner or audience. 2 measures. Figure 1. A. Starting with the right foot, take 4 chain steps forward to meet partner at center. Kumintang right and left hand alternately. 4 measures. B. Turn right about and repeat A, going to proper places. Turning right about in 4 measure. Finish facing partner. 4 measures. C. Repeat A and B 8 measures. Figure 2. Movements of the boy and girl are done simultaneously. Boy. A. Starting with the right foot, take 4 chain steps forward to partner's right side. Kumintang right and left hand alternately. 4 measures. Boy. B. Turn right about, take 4 chain steps going to proper places. Kumintang right and left hand alternately. 4 measures. Boy C. Turn right about, repeat A to partner's left side. 4 measures. Boy D. Turn right about, repeat B. 4 measures. Figure 3. A. Starting with the right foot, take 2 chain steps forward to meet partner at center. 2 measures. B. Turn to right with 2 chain steps, finish facing partner. 2 measures. C. Take 2 chain steps forward passing right to right shoulder going to partner's place. 2 measures. D. Turn right about. Take 2 chain steps, finish facing partner. 2 measures. E. Repeat all A to D, finishing in proper places. 8 measures. Figure 4. A. Starting with the right foot, take 4 steps forward to meet at center. 2 measure. B. Face left. Step right foot sideward. Point left foot across right in rear. Bend knee slightly. Kumintang right hand. 1 measure. C. Turn right about, step left foot sideward, point right foot across left in rear, bend knee slightly, kumintang left hand 1 measure. D. Starting with the right foot, take 4 steps backward to proper places, 2 measures. E. Starting with the right foot, take 4 steps in place, 2 measures. F. Repeat all A to E, 8 measures. Figure 5. Repeat figure 1, 16 measures. Figure 6. Repeat figure 2. This time the girl goes to right and left side of partner while the boy clap hands. 16 measures. Figure 7. Repeat figure 3. 16 measures. Figure 8. Repeat figure 4, 16 measures. Saludo, finale. 3 steps turn right in place. Bow to partner or audience.